Hi, today I'd like to show you this really easy fretless version of Secret Agent Man. Got a request from a subscriber who wanted to be able to play it on his fretless tuned G. So I've made up a little instrumental version of it. It's quite simple. So I'm tuned to G, G, D, G, using a very clean sound. You'll notice I have a tuner on top of my amp. When you're playing fretless, or any instrument I suppose, it's really good to have a tuner around. Because if you're playing up the neck, you may find, especially if you're new, that it doesn't sound quite in tune and you're trying to get it right over the mark and all that stuff. And usually the marks on these things are, are pretty accurate. But you got to go with your ear. And if something sounds off, it's really good to have a tuner, and then you can check and make sure that you are, in pitch, right? So anyway, the only really tricky part of the song is the intro, and we don't have frets, so we can't really do what they do on the record. So I sort of made up this this little thing that kind of works. I guess I started off with a power dive, just like that, just to start the song off. You can ignore that if you want. So what I'm basically doing is I'm playing the lick from 7, 8, 9. So you can play it that way, and it's not written that way in the tab, and there's a reason for that. Because I found once I started playing the song that this sounded really weak. So I started it with a chord, which still has that same note in it. That would be D. So instead of, I just went with the chord. And sometimes I don't play that last note. If I got to go to another part, I'll just like that. So once again, the lick all by itself, if you want to try that way, starts on 7, and then the open string, and my first finger is muting the middle string. And once again, what I actually did was hit a chord there. And then the high string. Like that. So any combination of that, just make it work for yourself. Be sure and raise your hand up though, because you don't want to get any of that clacking sound. So now we're into the basic melody of the song, which is very straightforward. Starts on the open high string. So that was 2 zeros, 3, 7, 5, 0, 3, 0, 3. That's like lick 1. Lick 2 is, that's 0, 3, 5, 7, and another 7, 10, And this is where you might want to start checking with your tuner if you're having any problems at all, because you're quite a ways up the neck. And then we start up to 12, 10, 5, 7. Then we go back to 5. Twice on 7, 5, 3, 0. So I'll play that second line again. Here's the first line. When you're comfortable with that, that's the second line. Here's the third line. And then open again. Now right there you can do a lot of different things. I hit the chord and then up on the high string. Then up to 8, 9, and then you can go to 7, or you can hit the chord again, whichever works for you. Just do whatever's easiest for you. So that was the first half of the song. The second half of the song is the same. So that was 003, 7, 5, 0, 3, 0, 3, 0. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, in between these licks, on that one, and the first time around I go, just to fill it in, go to the open chord. Here's the next lick. Starts as 2 zeros again on the low string. And then here I slide up to a B chord. I do that the first time around too. Then we're up here at 12, 10, 5, 7, just like we did before. That's 5, 7, 7, 3, 0, 5, 3, 0. And then 0 again, twice. 7, 5, 0, 3, 0, 3, 0. Now here I definitely do not do that little lick, because I'm going to go to the chorus. And I go back to the high string, 7, 10, then up to 14, then 10, 12. And then do that again, 7, 10, all on the high string. Right? And then down to 3 to 4. So that's just back and forth. And then slightly different phrasing. Right, so I'll do that chorus for you. Again, I hit the chord and then the high string. And there's that rattle sound you want to avoid. And then I just play the open chord. And then I run up to 3. That makes it an E minor chord, because the song is actually in E minor. I hope I covered everything clearly for you. Have a great day. Bye.